Order matter in functions. To follow the order of function parameters is important. For example, if you have a function that has two parameters, so when you call the function in the main program, you need to type the two arguments. If one of the arguments is left out in the function call, the terminal will give you an error. Open brackets to show you how. As you can see, this is our previous lecture code. So, if we take out dough in the second parameter in the first function call, try on terminal now and see what will happen. Yes, did you see this error? Because in the function definition has two parameters, and in the first function call that we did has one argument, which is John. But there is a way to swap the parameters to put the first name in the last name and the last name in the first name, such as names parentheses name equal quotation marks John comma if name equal quotation marks dough. Another function called to swap Nancy and Marco. Okay, for third function call, names parentheses if name watch out if name not ill name equal quotation marks Maria comma ill name equal quotation marks Chris. After that, try that on terminal. Wonderful. As you can see, the names swapped out already. Alright, you need to do that by yourself and try it on your computer. Thanks for watching.